Yo, what is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about the alpha sale of the Redmi K20 and K20 Pro. Well, everything you need to know is in this video, so do make sure to watch this video till the end. And I know this is a different kind of video than I do, but yeah, let's do this. Well, what I know about the alpha sale is like there are two options for you. You can pre-book your Redmi K20 or K20 Pro with this alpha sale from Flipkart or me.com. Well, I personally chose Flipkart for this, and I had to pay 855 rupees at a gift card or something like that on Flipkart. I don't know about me.com. I think it's kind of a alpha voucher on me.com, and if you are okay with that, just go to me.com and book your Redmi K20 and K20 Pro if you live in India. And of course, this is a different kind of thing from flash sales first time, and this is for the first time ever we have to prepay for a phone of the Redmi series. Well, this is the Redmi K20 Pro, which is gonna launch on 17th July, and this pre-book or this alpha sale will be happening from 12th to 17th July, as they are saying. Why do you have to pay 855 rupees, you may ask? Well, the Redmi K20 Pro sports a Snapdragon 855, so for that you have to pay 855 rupees. This is kind of a gimmick and a thing to talk about. So Xiaomi really does it well, and people are talking about it, so it's working. And I would say that if you should book this or alpha book this Redmi K20 Pro, well, I would say that if you're really into it and if you're really sure about getting a Redmi K20 Pro, maybe like me, then maybe just pre-book it on Flipkart. And this Flipkart's voucher of 855 rupees, I think you can use it on any product. It's not mandatory to buy a Redmi K20 Pro on 17th July with this 855 rupees. You can use this gift card from Flipkart to purchase anything. So that is pretty good. I would say that your money is not wasting anywhere. So you can definitely use this money whenever you're ordering something from Flipkart, ever since until 2020, I think. Well, you may ask that why do we have to pay this amount of 855 rupees, and what is it actually gonna do to the order of which you are gonna do on 17th July, even if you are gonna book this Redmi K20 Pro. What is it for you? Well, as Xiaomi said, or the Redmi India said, or Mr. Manu Kumar Jain has said, that this is to make sure that you, if you're pre-booking this device, you have one device pre-booked or separated for you to order. So that means they will count the gift vouchers from Flipkart as well as me.com, the alpha sale voucher or something like that. So they will count all those vouchers, and they will make sure that those many units are available on the sale date, 17th July. I'm not really sure how they are gonna distribute it, and if they are gonna distribute the same amount of the gift vouchers purchased on Flipkart. Let's guess that 60,000 Flipkart vouchers of the 855 rupees have been sold for this these many days. So they are gonna make sure that 60,000 units are available on Flipkart. 60,000 Redmi K20 and K20 Pro units are available on Flipkart, total. And over there, on me.com, if they have received 40,000 alpha sale vouchers, then they will make sure that there are in me.com 40,000 Redmi K20 and K20 Pros. So that is all they are saying, and that is what I could understand. So if you have purchased this gift card from Flipkart or me.com, be it anywhere, you have a Redmi K20 Pro booked for you if you have paid this 855 rupees anywhere from Flipkart or me.com. So that is all they are doing over here with this alpha sale. So that is how it is, and let me know in the comments how pumped are you guys for the Redmi K20 Pro. How excited are you for the device? And the Redmi K20 Pro is gonna be a pretty good device, I think, for the money, and it is gonna be made in India or made in India or whatever they call. And for that, it kind of expected to be priced at 23, 24, maybe 25 around. But in China, I know it's launched in 25,200 rupees. I mean, for 25,200 Indian rupees if you convert it. but as it's a made in India product, it's kind of like supposed to be a little bit cheaper maybe, as people are talking about it. So I think it's gonna be around 23, 24. So if they price it about 23 around or 24, I think that's gonna be a pretty amazing deal. AMOLED display, fingerprint sensor under this display, and pop-up selfie camera, Snapdragon 855, the glass back and that like gradient kind of design. And as well there is the like 48 megapixel camera, the telephoto camera, and the wide angle lens. So that is gonna be pretty great. I don't know if I mentioned the pop-up selfie camera, but yeah, that is there too. And the metal frame, of course. The design is really great of the device, as we have seen on the internet. So I would say it is gonna be a pretty great deal if they price it under 25,000. But if they price it a little bit above 25,000, like 26 or something, I don't know if that would be a good deal, because like you have the Zenfone 6Z or like Asus 6Z, sorry, and you have the OnePlus 7 too, like above 30k. But the thing is, it is a Redmi device, so people are expecting it to be really cheaper. So you get my point, right? So again, let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this, and let me know if you're like gonna get the Redmi K20 Pro or the K20 as well. So yes, I am gonna try to like get the Redmi K20 Pro. I don't know if they price it well, I will definitely try to get it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I know it was a different kind of video, but this is just information if you are from India. And if you're watching this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel down there if you have not yet. This is Tiro from KDN Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.